Today we'll be doodling on the topic Diwali. It's festival time, right? So we'll doodle on the topic Diwali. So what comes to your mind when we tell Diwali? What comes to your mind? First one, Deepa, right? Yes, very good. Deepa comes to our mind. And then, yes, Lord Rama, very good. Traditional wear, right? Traditional wear, yes. Traditional wear. And then, yes, lights. Very good. We can tell that lantern, right? Culture. Sweets. Very good. Rangoli. Wow. Creative. Yes. Crackers. Yes. Yes. All these comes to your mind, right? Fireworks. Very good. Yes. 100% right. Yes. Diyas. Deepa. Very good. Yeah. All this comes to our mind when we think of Diwali. So by using all these topics, okay, we'll doodle today. Okay, is that fine? Okay, then. Shall we start the class? Excited? Yes. All you need is pencil, sketch pens. Okay, that may be color sketch pens. And also, if you want, you can use paint, crayons, anything. Okay, as you wish for coloring purpose. But at the start, we'll use pencil to draw the outline. Okay. Yes. So here we have made a list, right? So we see culture, right? So what culture comes to your mind in traditional Hindu home? During this period, there will be mango toranam in front of the door, right? So shall we draw that? At the top, we'll draw slant bulged line. This is just rough sketch, okay? By using pencil, we'll cover the outline, we'll finish the outline. Later, we'll make it proper. Is that fine? Yes. Okay. And after that, we'll make some zigzag lines. You know, right? How to draw zigzag lines? V, writing V. Once again, V. Continue doing this pattern. And here you can make one big V like this. And once again, zigzag lines. This indicates Toranam or Vandana Malika. We'll fill this by using some other patterns later. This is just outline we are doing, okay? So culture is done. We have used culture, that is mango Toranam, okay? And then we'll use lanterns. You have made a V here, okay? From this point, you need to make two lines like this. Draw two lines. Okay, we have drawn two lines which are also diagonal. Okay, and after that we have to make two sleeping lines. You have practiced sleeping lines, right? So draw two sleeping lines, 1 and 2, and we'll join this. We'll join this sleeping lines by using horizontal line. Yes, everyone know the shape of hexagon, right? Okay, we have made diagonal line or slant line on both the sides, and from the point there, one more diagonal line downwards. Okay, and then we have joined this line. Okay, and one more time you need to do the same thing. Draw straight line. Okay, that might be 0.5 centimeter and a sleeping line. So we are learning many shapes here, right? So here we'll make some lines, wavy lines. And here, everybody mark midpoint in the lantern. Okay, and after that, here is a point, right? Bring that point to the midpoint. So you get diamond shape. So we'll fill this later by using pens, sketch pens, okay? This is just outline. So where are we? Culture is done, lantern is done, and we'll make some crackers now. Excited? Yes. Now we'll make crackers. So you need to make circle. You have practiced circle, right? So this is half part. So below that you need to make one circle. Try to draw free-handed, okay? Don't use anything like compass or bangles. Draw a small circle. So here is your sheet and this is the mid of the sheet. So in the second part you need to draw a circle and once again leave some gap approximately 0.5 centimeter, okay? Once again draw a same circle, okay? And from here, see this is the left portion and from there you need to make one more semicircle like this, okay? And you need to make a line here. From here we'll make some sparkles. Later we'll color this, okay? We are making some sparkles by using dots. Later we'll fill this by using colors. Also we have finished crackers. Now we'll make diyas. Okay. So in the left hand side you can make 2 diyas. How to make that? So first draw semicircle. Okay. Like this or half circle. Okay. And make a bulged line. Bring to the middle and once again join this. And we'll make the light here. And also you can make one more diya. Same manner. In the same way, you can make one more diya. So we have finished Deepa. Okay. Lantern. We have finished lantern. So this is the lantern. Culture is this. Okay. We have made mango toranam. And crackers we have made ground spinner here. Okay. So remaining is traditional wear. Very simple. Okay. We'll make a boy and a girl in traditional wear. First, everyone make a straight line like this. Okay. And we'll make a face now. We'll make a face like this. So it's somewhat like leaf shape. Okay. And then we'll make hair here. So we'll make a small wave. Okay. And a straight line. Small wave and a straight line. We'll make a short hair. Okay. Bring this line downwards. Okay. And once again here we'll make small wave like this. We'll make a line here, bulged line. Okay. And make small wave and we'll join this line. This is a girl's face and her hair. Okay. And here we'll make her neck. A small line. So we'll wait for some time. Okay. Yes. Next we'll make a top. A grand top. Okay. See, here is her hair and from the point there, you need to make straight line. So today we have used many shapes, straight lines, circles, curves, zigzag lines, right? Semicircles. Yes. Okay. In the right hand side, you need to make a veil or shawl, we say, right? So one more wave like this. So this is a shawl we are making. And here we'll make hand, a small hand. Okay. So draw diagonal line, small diagonal line and leave some gap, and once again a small diagonal line, and here we'll make small bracelet. Okay, we'll make some small rounds, ovals, and in her hand there is colorful matches, or we can also say pencil crackers. So she's holding that, so her hands must be closed. So how to draw that? We'll make lines like this. Okay, we'll write U and we'll join here. Okay, here we'll make that colorful matches, sparkles. This is a stick, and here we can make some sparkles like this. We'll later color this. And one more straight line, and this is her stomach. Okay, and we'll make skirt. This is her skirt. Okay, how to draw one more hand? So from here, bring this line diagonally like this. So her palms are closed. So write C, U, okay, like this. We'll make small bracelet, and here we'll make her hand. And one more colorful matches or pencil crackers in her hand. Yes, we'll make a small boy. Yes, he's also wearing kurta. So everyone make straight line. Slightly bulge that line like this, and we'll bring the line here. Okay, slight slant line. Yes, like this. Okay, we have made two straight lines, and we have made diagonal lines, and we have joined the lines. Okay, and at the top you need to make one more bulge straight line, and here we can make some spikes. We'll make his hair. So we have made his face and spikes. Okay, and then we'll make ears. We'll make small ears, and then his neck. So draw two small straight lines. We are making a small boy. Okay, then we'll make his shawl. Okay, so here is his neck, right? So from there, make straight line on both the sides like this. Okay, and then we'll make his hands. So he will imagine that he's screaming in happy mood. Okay, and we'll make one more hand in the same manner. He's really screaming with happy, he's enjoying. So his hands are wide. From the point there, we'll make his thumb. Okay, small thumb and his fingers, the rest fingers. So this hand cannot be seen. It's just imaginary. Okay. So let it be like this. I'll teach you how to write in Sanskrit. So we'll write in Sanskrit today. Yes, shall we proceed? Yes. Now take black gel pen or sketch pen. Yes. Now we'll start making the outline. So I took black gel pen. One more triangle or V and shade this part. You can also use any colors. So we'll make outline. So I'll use green for some wavy lines here. And then I'll use orange. I will use black one more time. We'll draw some diamonds here, diamond shape. One, two, and the third one. So I'll use blue for this part. Yes, now we'll make ground spinners, colorful. Okay, first we'll make outline of that. Yes, we are making sparkles by using small dots. And also we can make one more small triangle here. Make some lines here, simply a bent line. So we'll use orange to fill this triangle. You can use any color. So we'll use purple now. Yes. Next we'll use purple, make some random lines. And here we can make oval and shade here. Oval and shade here. You can also make some designs or simply fill by shading. I'll be making some patterns, doodling. Decorate the skirt and top of a girl. Okay, so I will color her top by using yellow. Use any light colors because we need to design this. This is just background, so we'll use light colors and we'll use green for boy. So we can also use orange because fire, that indicates fire, a small star like. And you can give her a red color. It's your wish. You can use colors, or if you don't need, you don't use. We'll make some Zentangle patterns or some spirals. Yes, we'll make some spirals. You can use any patterns. So here we'll make his button. And we can give yellow here to decorate his shawl. So you can give brown to his hair. And the last thing, we need to decorate her shawl. So I'll use pink. Okay, and here we'll write Shubha Deepavali, which means Happy Deepavali. That's about today's class, and wishing you Happy Deepavali once again.